discover peaceful country living on 5 acres in Blaine. This nearly new 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features vaulted ceilings, an open floor plan, and a spacious kitchen island ideal for entertaining. The primary suite offers a private ensuite bath for added comfort. Outside, the property is fenced and cross-fenced for goats, sheep, cows, or chickens, with a serene pond and a large garden space perfect for vegetables or flowers. A generous pump house shed provides storage for tools and equipment, and there's room to build a future shop, buyer to verify. Plenty of room for RV parking, animals, and outdoor projects. Enjoy privacy and space, just minutes from the Canadian border and 30 minutes to Bellingham. A fantastic hobby farm opportunity,